But he ate the bluegill head. Oh yeah. Not a bad one. This one's perfect eating size. I get some good flays off of him. So hell yeah. So this thing's a freaking hog of a channel cat. Dude, this camera doesn't even do good justice. Big male. Big freaking male. He's clamping down my thumb, good. I don't know, I think I might turn him loose. He's big though. Biggest channel catfish I ever pulled out of Allen Creek. I'm gonna turn him loose. They can get bigger. This was fun to catch on a medium rod, on a 12-pound mono. Get him back to life. Now after I wrestled this fish and got my hand pretty good, multiple times, I think he's too big to keep. So I'll let this guy go. He's almost at 28 inches long. There he goes. Goodbye, big ugly.